Months now, since January 2020.
Now I just say Asem ba. Asem ba said over 7,000 nurses. Since January up to 7 said one city cry almost sanka ebusuya. Young boy never show you anybody area.
The coalition, comprising over 7,000 registered nurses and midwives, argues the government has failed to honor financial obligations despite their financial clearance. According to the health professionals, despite having worked tirelessly since January this year, they are yet to see the fruits of their labor, which has since plagued them into an economic quagmire. They say they are emotionally drained to continue working with no assurances for payment anytime soon.
For 8 months now, since January 2025, we have worked tirelessly in the hospitals, in clinics, and in health centers across the country without receiving a single salary. We have given our best to care for the patients. Even we ourselves are sinking in despair. Where at all did we go wrong to deserve this kind of treatment? And so we ask, Mr. President, who cares for the caregiver? We were financially cleared before posting an assumption of duty, and we have all official documents to prove, including our appointment letters, which we will display at the end of this presentation. Yet today, the Ministry of Health tells us our financial clearance has expired. They claim to have written to the Ministry of Finance for extension. The Ministry of Finance intent says there is no budget for us until government complete payroll audit to remove ghost names. Meanwhile, a section of our colleagues have been paid with all their arrears. How possible can someone receive salaries but others have not, and have their financial clearance expired, when we received the financial clearance at the same time and were posted at the same time? While bureaucracy stores our fate around, our lives are deteriorating daily. So, Mr. President, who cares for the caregiver? We want to be clear here. Are the Minister of Finance and the Minister of Health trying to say that during the transition period, they did not receive any documents detailing our financial clearance and subsequent recruitment?
Ebusuyamino ka say the over 7,000 nurses at the Bible to just say, Omayejuma from January 2025 up to August year woman. Once the crown on Mosankaye, Omi nipa baku 7,000 across the country. Now, much them say, you see, a calm miniomo, ama the only top pure water nominal, Ebusuya ayeding. Omubi one much say, Omo the Omo Danka, like the water bay, Omo Babusia ma. Just Ebusuya, the Omo Biana man food you mechi, no much in Siomo, no much in Siomo, ama Omura, who Omusa John Dramani Mama said, Bonnie Bain pa, and on my yeno, on my yen in tia, or your mosa, ayakayaka diano. Way, enya dear everyone is say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Abino, Aya Baya in Nimno, for Sani Mawi. John Dramani Mahama Abino, and Abekaya 2015, a year junior doctors, a year Juma, for 1 year and half, and almost 2 years. Now one see this crown on farm momo. Some men and nurses need a nurses for any midwife one so no my year Juma into Yomoka. Some men and teachers for a child dear 3 years need to 3 months. So things like this no and yemi one. But a yezu no just say a yeza abai papa hit now they are shima mami come our comment section nemo. We told you people see from 2016 2015 14 12 13 batches are nursing training crampo you know. John Dramani Mahama ampo see a single batch from 2012 to 2016, not a single batch in the post year. And the backlog a one more nursing I'm for a breath feeling now because of John Dramani Mahama. It's because of John because of John Dramani Mahama. One posted all these batches, 2012 batch, 2013 batch, 2014 batch, 2015 batch, 2016 batch. One posted Muba Hokra. It took Nana Danko Kufuado. No by ya, obe posti omo. It took Nana Danko Kufuado, and no by obe posti omo. What I say? And it's a way nest ni. Now go to abako ye yezu eyeza. Eko celebrate ya. Keep quiet too. Keep quiet. Keep quiet and suffer. Because this is just the beginning. I'm telling you. This is just the beginning because we know. I remember those days we were in school, 2012 to 2016. 2013, now we senior high. We were in school that time. Teachers they make us strike, Obeko hospital, nurses phone here. Doctors focus strike. All happened under John Dramani Mahama. All happened under John Dramani Mahama. Sirim say jata. Now nurses ne dia mono moya mobo. Now we draw rough wako. Say radio hospital. Ujo na ujimi yentu omoka. Yentu aneka. Entino. How do you expect to be into aneka to come and work? 7,000 nurses. Omo receive a single salary for 8 good months. I'll buy a phone 10 times a. I'll buy a phone 10 times a. One a chida one and a chida was. And you guys have not seen anything yet too. Because we told you people and went here and the Yezu and the Yeza and Mahama is the hope. He is the hope. He is the hope for my He is the hope. He is the hope. So keep quiet. He is the hope for Madagana. James is the hope. He is the hope. He is the hope for my Munya Ehushe. Afe na mukasa. Afe na like Charlie people are funny. See, if you know what this man you don't know John Dramani. I told you guys that massa. Don't make mistake and vote for John Dramani Mahama because that man, he doesn't give a damn about you people and how you think. You should have asked your seniors how they suffered before they received their salaries. We catch your mom say Ezu, mo say Eza, and I'm people are buying yen about me and yet on about it. Oh, enjoy, 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 enjoy. Munya, next time no, oko to aba. You vote wisely, and voting wisely is voting MPP and Dr. Baumia. 2020 is just around the corner, and I know the NDC is going home. They are going. They are on their way. They are on their way, going home, going home. They are on their way, going home, going home. They are going home. But you people should wise up. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Ebusuya, how you Ghana and Asem TV? You best also subscribe to the channel on the Amaya. Who we are, like it, share. Now watch the word in all comment section. John Dramani Mahama was coming a year necessary for, and I was coming on. My own watching to all comment section. You better ask Sonya to boss here na utie. Ebeshia and have floor. Somebody come. Bye bye. 10,000 nurses.
8 months now, since January 2025, we have worked tirelessly in the hospitals, in clinics, and in health centers across the country without receiving a single salary. We have given our best to care for the patients. Even we ourselves are sinking in despair. Where at all did we go wrong to deserve this kind of treatment? And so we ask, Mr. President, who cares for the caregiver? We were financially cleared before posting an assumption of duty, and we have all official documents to prove, including our appointment letters.
Right, Ebusuya, Eyezu. Now what you say is, I catch was a John Dramani Mahama, or best scam, a scam abayin phone, abayin time. Why you do 8 months, once the Cramon Sanka, and Yashe, Mokai, Eyezu, Mokase, Mona Mokan, yo, Yedi, Yeshamu. We listen, we don't judge.